doesn't look chopped anymore. I'm taking a video, by the way. Pinkies. Okay, they were wishing ma'am. I was busy, so I couldn't record.
She's on the way, she'll come like in 2 steps, and then we begin. Meanwhile, I want you all to address yourselves and speak in such a way that the class is going to
Show.
proud of her.
Yeah. If we had more time, we could have drawn this porch and made a nice little like. Okay.
Let's see your house, the houses you built.
Such a weird.
కొరియర్లో ప్రతిసారి నిషేధిత పదార్థాలు పాస్పోర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అలాగే మీపై మనీ లాండరింగ్ కేసు కూడా ఉంది అంటూ వీడియో కాల్ నగర పోలీసులు తెలిపారు. దీనిపై డబ్బు
Wow, cheese pull देख रहे हो guys? Cheese pull देखो.
From Telangana Legislature Canteen. How is the Maza? Is it different?
What was the tagline of Maza? I forgot in my.
Arey,
It tastes nice.
they are giving us food क्योंकि टाइम पे तो हमें असेंबली दिखाया नहीं, तो खाने से पेट भर रहे हैं. I forgot they didn't have spoons. This is how I look, okay, and I would show you how I. So basically, this. सानवी, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप? Why he reminds me how men actually can be, but just because he's our friend, we don't realize it. Lisa, आप वही है ना? Him in male body, female body. Yeah. Hey girl. So I'm motivated this year to be more like Ali. Yeah. Ali, give me your blessing. I will be like you this year. Starting with hi.
I have no experience to give to you.
You chose this life. मुंह दिखाओ अपना.
I chose this life.
No. Are we visible? I hope we are. It's good. It's not that bad. Yeah, the sky is clear. Yeah. See, very good. Had some crazy questions asked.
Want to join in for feminism? Yes.
Totally.
I want to know which one of you are attending class.
Therefore, I am.
Please listen. Don't miss this part. Shall we go?
If everything goes well, that is. Oh, this is cool. Stranger danger.
underway from the north.
So, I don't know why do I always end up wearing this outfit to talk about something important. So, 2026 finally makes sense. And I thought maybe college would be the end of the world or something. But today something happened and it makes me look forward to start a new chapter in life. I hope I'm able to record that. I don't know what I actually wanted to say, but this is the thing that is coming to my mind right now. So I just wanted to record that. Yeah, so basically I got the bag, like new bag, like I got one on my birthday as well, but this was something I was really looking forward to, and I cut my hair. So I cut my hair. Is it nice? Someone said my ponytail looked cute. I know the someone, but I just don't want to name them. But so I cut my hair. I'll show it. It looks champoo, but compared to December, this is my hair. It's all bad, but and the camera is also not looking that nice. I like this outfit and I'm looking forward to 2026. We're going out. I tried to dress pretty because I wanted to feel pretty. College has been extended 20 days more since we graduate, till we graduate, and I'm happy about that. 1 week of vacations or like holidays left. I'm doing more of my things that make me happy. I'm editing my Notion for the year. Vision board is getting made. I'm collecting notes for my exams that I'll be giving to get into universities. And I kind of resumed writing a story which I thought I would write. There are so many stories. Apparently I look like a puffer fish. People in the room are judging me, of course, but I thought maybe I would do a week in January thing because my vacations are going on. So basically I'll show you what I was doing. This basically. No, you're not. We have some jealous people in the house. They can't. What is the word?
Compete.
Digest the thought that mine is nicer. Like it's clean and nice. When they're just allegedly saying I put more efforts for other people, like people outside my family, but it's not like okay. ठीक है, अच्छा है. So it's not. What is this? Like what are we even going to make out of this? Nothing. फिर हमारा तीसरा.
I'm still doing.
Show the caricature.
I erased it.
Okay. Again.
So this is like this, and it is going to be removed,
Of course. Not. Okay.
cut out.
Yeah. Nice. Cool. Shut up now.
Making plate 1 and 2 will answer the questions. Okay, and pounds, that is they can.
Present yourself.
Miris, content review. Miris, content review.
Hi guys.
Hi. Okay.
I'm sorry. It's really soft. These
Yeah.
are like first impressions.
Oh my god.
But let's see.
That's what you said.
Bro.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like
It's okay. You can beat
badam milk
badam milk.
plus something else.
What?
Cream.
Oh. Let's try.
I
Let's
have
try.
mixed feelings.
Time for.
For who?
क्या है इसमें?
Dude, it's so sweet.
Are you screenshotting it then?
Lol.
I'm scared. It's fine. Bye.
I think you're pregnant.
It's not that sweet.
Then who is the?
It's not that sweet.
There's so many. How would you find?
That's not that sweet.
I'll try.
Are you fine with this?
क्या?
Are you fine with this?
हाँ, yeah, it's fine. My coffee would taste creamier. It's nice. Just see, these are budget tiramisu as you said. Yeah, it's nice. Start.
So you go here.
Yeah, wait, this was trying to Christmas thing. This is the
Reminder to always journal if you have heavy emotions. And I just wanted to acknowledge that 2 months, like close, like 1.5 months of Sem 6 has happened already. Journaling is the key. I don't know for other people how they cope up, but I came home and I was like scrolled because I was tired. Then why was I scrolling? This is a question my family asks me. Deep down I ask myself as well, but we don't do anything about it. But I did not want to sleep with that question. That why did not I do anything? Why am I feeling these sad emotions? Why am I thinking so much? So I'm going to write. So, do journaling. Just a random interaction. Wanted to record it.
No, seriously guys, how do you relax?
I don't know. Yesterday I don't know how, but I was like, I procrastinated. I was like, I don't know.
I just scrolled on my phone.
Like that I know, but like I mean I haven't watched a movie or a show in the past 3.5 months.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Same. Honestly, because as a practice I can't move on to a new show because I'm like, I'm not gonna leave it in middle. बंदी आपकी aesthetic, okay.
क्या ज्यादा बोलेगी? ओह, प्रिटी लग रही हो आप तो. कहाँ से हो आप? सेंट मैरी से हो? He took us. Can we call it a date? Yes. Joint date. These chairs make me uncomfortable.
Why? Because I wasn't the
Yeah. Sean, show your hair. Show your hair.
अध्यापिका शिक्षा में आ गई है
कक्षा में.
शिक्षा
Oh my god. No. Okay, look back. Okay. Say something or like talk about something you watched or read recently which you would like to tell me. Something nice. Be nice. Or watched, I said. अबे यार तू जा बस.
नहीं नहीं wait. I saw very good quote on Instagram. If I find it.
If you fell in love with that, why did you forget it?
Because I have other things to do.
If you forgot it, means it's not that important.
That was deep.
Yeah. Oh, Lisa is calling. Wait. I'm just recording. I'm supposed to make monthly journal because someone suggested that to me. But I don't know how to start on it. I asked them and he was like, use your creativity. He was like,
मतलब ऐसे ही सीक्रेट रिवील कर देती हूँ ऐसे ही थोड़ी सीक्रेट ड्रॉप कर देती हूँ
नहीं अंग्रेजी में मैंने सेंट मैरी से सीखी है.
I slept, and the way I slept, I got like.
Oh, I never recorded in public, but I'm going to do it. I had such a shitty experience like twice. I don't come at this part of the Balaji Nagar because like I don't like get down, but I got down today. And then I got catcalled by from across the road. The shop because I wanted to buy mascara, but I feel like shit, so I just wanted to record it. And I'm going to put it in my vlog because why not? Took my clips off. Welcome to the village Even I was singing. मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी. Ooh, cute. को संभाला सारे नशा प्यारे इतना सबसे नशीला है हुस्न की बारिश नीला है ये नाम पे करते ये रोसड़ीला है. Motivated to record more of my thoughts. I don't know if I'm audible. So I went to the Mass Comm Lab after many days. I've not been going. And it was nice. I'm tying my shoe. I'm not with the kachra. I'll hide it. It was nice. Like it felt like I was connected to them again because I felt a bit disconnected with my classmates. Like we were talking and everything. But today, what time we spent in the Mass Comm Lab was अरे मेरे वीडियो में क्यों आ रहे हो? In reading a book.
Time for the next video is we are almost
Oh, we are nice. Hi. Result कैसा?
they failed me in French.
Paid.
Sorry, Paul science.
You want to know something?
Huh?
Paid and Paul sides and love.
So this is my outfit for the day. I wanted to show my clips so they match my fit. So this. And then I asked my sister to do my nails. This is like very minimalist, very low maintenance. But I like this.
This filter is nice actually, like better than the Instagram filter. Ooh. I can never do that.